This is INFINIX Note 12 2023, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can see how much random access memory you have on this device. So first step is to launch settings, then go for the My Phone category, and if you will scroll the My Phone page a little, you'll see that the RAM has its own separate section telling you how many gigabytes you have how many gigabytes of hardware RAM you have, which is in my case 8, and also lets you know whether you have the MEM Fusion feature enabled or RAM expansion feature enabled or not. If you're interested what the MEM Fusion option is, we have a whole separate video about it on our channel, so make sure to check it out. But this time that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.